Hey, if you want to hard reset your Redmi Buds 5 Pro, all you have to do is just to open this charging case and input both earbuds inside. When you do this, you will have to locate this button. It is actually next into the USB-C port, and we'll have to click and hold it. So let's do this. Click and hold, and now take a look for this indicator. Currently it is blinking quickly, but after holding this button for a couple of the seconds, it will start blinking slow, like this, for the 3 times. There we go, and now it is blinking quickly one more time, and it means that we performed the hard reset successfully. Now, when I try to connect my earbuds by previously connection, so I have to go to the Bluetooth, and now when I click on this old connection, as you can see here, I have the new pairing request. So it means that we restore all default settings for the Redmi Buds 5 Pro. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.